Hey, it's Kira, the conflict coach, with a 2-minute conflict coaching soundbite. Today, I'm sharing my #1 tip for handling difficult people. Now, this is based on our basic biological needs. According to Abraham Maslow, we have a whole hierarchy of needs, and at its base are our physiological needs. That's our biology of needing food and needing rest. Above that is our sense of needing safety. Now that's the key. Difficult people often feel vulnerable and they don't have that core need of safety met. They therefore are defensive or abrasive. So in order to disarm a difficult person, you can simply show them some warmth and interest. Be interested in them. Ask them about themselves. Because by showing them that you care, you satisfy that need for belongingness and safety. This is true whether the difficult person is at work, or whether it's a student in school, or if it's a difficult family member. The key is at tackling that need for safety and belongingness. Once you show that person that you're interested in them and that they matter, all of a sudden they will be much disarmed and less difficult to deal with. I welcome your thoughts and comments. Please like and share this video, and I'll see you at the next 2-minute conflict coaching soundbite.